Big Mike. So I tell you, I flow higher than the motherfucking helicopter. Yes, niggas didn't believe me. Let's show these niggas. Yeah, my flow higher than the motherfucking helicopter. Niggas can't spit shit reading the teleprompter. Don't diss me cause I'll break you all proper by kicking your ass. Stop me like a door stopper. Damn, especially if you think you're gonna beat me anyways. They musta got the assumption they're good like the PJs. Well, I break records like DJs. Get your haircut like CJs. So you better stay focused. I'm taking over in case you ain't noticed. Cause I come the best you'll ever see. And the rest of the game will be RIP. It's a takeover like Jay-Z while digging in the crates AG. So you better take a good look or get shook. I'm closing the book, bringing up thunder like Westbrook. So you know I'm ready when it comes to this rap. I feel like New Edition. I gotta watch every little step because I wanna take a few steps back. So I'm gonna go hard like Mello when I take it to the rack. Yeah, I'ma throw these niggas flows in the garbage to recycle. I be having niggas like damn you see him Jackson like Michael. Cause I give these niggas a thriller, taking shots at them like Miller. Cause it's really easier than it seems. I hate niggas wearing skinny jeans. Talking about they got swag. Nigga y'all looking like I think that's bag. But I'm not knocking homos, you be what you want. I'm just getting these hobos that are pussy like cunt. Don't take it in the wrong direction. I hate hoes stuck up like anorection. Trying to be the best, striving for perfection. But I know one's perfect, so I'll make it worth it by doing my best, leaving the nest. I'm all perked up like breasts. If you're still not impressed, I'll smoke you like cigarette when you're stressed and make more progress while I end you, laying you to rest. You went through hell with me and all I say was God bless. This is my beginning, your ending. I'm here for winning. You was just pretending. That's why I ended you. I wanna slap the nigga that recommended you. I'm doing everything you pretended to. I corrected you, bitch. I comprehended you. So come correct like grammar, cause I know you hoes like a hammer. Cause I gotta construct all these lame niggas that sound the same. Niggas wanna be Drake and Lil Wayne niggas. While I'm but no game niggas, you better get in tune T-Pain niggas. It's like Halloween cause I got these tricks, tricking and treating. I'm giving these niggas heart attacks, having them ticking and beating. I'm killing these niggas, dogging them, sick and eating. You just mad cause you're lame, your girl's always kicking and cheating. So don't hate me cause how you been lately. I'm just piercing the game like Ray and KG while on a higher level HD.